If you're a homeowner or a business owner, an automatic gate opener is a functional addition that can make your life easier and your property more secure. In addition, an automatic gate opener can increase the value of your property. Exactly how much does it cost to install an automatic gate opener? The cost of an automatic gate opener ranges between $400 and $5,000 depending on the project. You can expect to spend around $1,500 to $3,000 to install the automated system. The exact cost will depend on the size, weight, material, and type of gate you want for your project. Purchasing a new electric gate constructed from vinyl can cost between $750 and $5,000, while it would cost around $850 to $8,500 to buy a new electric wooden gate. A metal gate or wrought iron gate is more expensive, so you can expect to spend between $1,100 and $8,600 to get a new electric metal gate. If you're interested in buying and installing an automatic gate opener, we're here to help you find the perfect gate operator for your needs.